How to supplement calcium for young people? Some people said that they can supplement calcium by drinking milk. However, you know that in doing so, they need to drink at least 900 grams, around 9 glasses of milk a day. It is almost impossible for common people to drink 9 cups of milk a day, isn't it? Some people said that the calcium can be supplemented through healthy meal. Even for the case that you only eat high calcium content vegetables, you still need to eat about 500 grams a day. You know, young people are always busy, sometimes they can't even eat properly. How can they have the time to pick up high calcium foods? Some people say that having more sun bath helps calcium supplement. Don't be fooled. Wearing UV protection clothes, applying sunproof cream, you are only having fun with sunbaths. It cannot help supplement calcium at all. Young people are looking for a simple and straight way to supplement calcium. Isn't it good enough to have one product with high absorption rate which can supplement sufficient amount of calcium once a day? Attention please, and keep in mind that before turning into age of 30, your body is storing the calcium resources, which can improve the peak bone density. After the age of 30, people's bone density drops, so you should supplement calcium to prevent it from deficiency.